So we have an identity here. Find A and B. Well, we need to do partial fractions on this to get this. In fact, if we multiply both sides of this by this, it cancels off the denominator there. One of them cancels here, we get left with the 1 subtract x. The 1 subtract x cancelled here, we get left with the 1 plus x. So we've got 2 plus 7x part A is the same as A times 1 subtract x plus B times 1 plus 2x. Now let's try x equals 1, because that will make this go to 0. So we end up with 2 times 7 times 1 is 9 equals, this is 0 and disappears, and then we get here 3b. So b equals 3, and then we can try x equals negative a half. So we get 2 times negative 7 over 2, that's negative 3 over 2, is the same as, or equals, 3 equals 1 subtract negative half is 3 over 2a, and b, 2 times negative half plus 1 is 0, so that disappears. So now we get left with a is equal to negative 1. A and b are found, hence expand. So part B, hence expand, so 2 plus 7x over 1 plus 2x, 1 subtract x is the same as negative 1 over 1 plus 2x plus 3 over 1 subtract x, which equals negative 1 plus 2x, so negative 1 plus 3 brackets 1 subtract x to negative 1. So now we can use our binomial expansion to expand these. So with the 1 there, we can do all the a's, so we get negative brackets 1 plus, that's negative 1 times 2x plus negative 1, negative 2 times 2x, times 1 over 2 factorial, which is 1 over 2, times 2x squared, and that's going to give me x squared, so he wants to go that far. So I do plus dot dot dot, slide that over a bit because I've not left myself enough room over this side, and then we do plus 3 lots of, and then we do this expansion here, so we end up with a 1 there as well, plus negative 1 again, times negative x, plus negative 1, negative 2, 1 over 2 factorial, negative x squared, plus dot dot dot, and that gives us 2 expansions. We now expand the brackets on those. So here we have a negative 1. This is now a negative times a negative is a positive, so that's plus 2x. And here we have a negative, 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 that's negative. And then we do fraction of front, so 2 and 2 cancels, so those cancel, we get left with a 1 there. So we just get this squared, which is 4x squared. And then we have 3 times 1 is 3. And then we have positive times positive, so that's plus 3x. And then here we have positive, 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 so it's plus. Then we've got the 2's cancel there, we get left with a 1 there, which times 3 is 3, plus 3, and the negative x squared is x squared, plus dot dot dot, which then gives us like terms, negative 1 and 3 gives us 2. Then we have 2x plus 3x is 5x. Then we have negative 4x squared plus 3x squared is a negative x squared, plus dot dot dot. So we've got that expanded. Give a reason why the expansion found in part B is not valid for x equals 3/4, because it is valid when modulus 2x is less than 1 and modulus negative x is less than 1. So that gives us modulus x is less than a half, and 3/4 is greater than half, therefore invalid.